Okay, Larry, responding to your email with some of your requests, starting off with pantry room storage. You didn't have any questions or changes on this, so just to go over it with you, to be clear, this is all to size and scale. I can send you PDF copies of this. 1-inch thick shelving on all of this, and we have about 12 and 9/16. We're going to lose, this is assuming this is 3/4 thick. So this is now going to be 1 inch, but these will be pretty close. 12 and 9, 13 and 8. To get the dimensions off of that is 99 inches from the side of the trim to the wall. And these two cabinets are 39.5 inches wide, leaving enough room right when you walk through the doorway that thing's not in your face because it's so close. And then leaving some side over here by the wall, because that window, the window shades were out 5 inches. So this is 8 inches away. And we can adjust this a little closer if we want when I am installing. So these are 24 deep. The top of the ducting was 90 inches. And these cabinets are 84 inches tall, and then there'll be soffit. That's about 1.5 inches tall, but that soffit comes down 7/16 from the top. So that looks good. We can move forward with that. Jumping to the shop. The first question was the AVR may be too high. So this is going over the top of your television. So if we look at this guy, and let's see, because your AVR, I believe we wrote down, got it in my notes right here, was 7 inches tall. This is going to be an adjustable shelf. So from the bottom of that middle shelf, we have 7 inches. We can adjust this up to get enough room in there. But if you want to make this 20 inches or 22 inches, like you mentioned, we can do that. And then this one adjustable shelf, we can have a wireway in the back, and then we can just put some holes in the back, or a hole in the back for your wires to drop out of. But it's nice to have a wide wireway in the back for the wires to drape through, and then they can be channeled through like a 2-inch diameter hole in the bottom. And this guy is 18 tall, 48 inches wide, 24 deep. Finished on all sides, finished on the insides. And then your storage cabinet here is 71 3/4 tall. That might change a little bit depending on the floor. And then there's a 3/4 inch thick top on that. So it's going to be about 72.5 tall. And there will be a solid top. I've added another shelf for a total of 3. And again, these are 1-inch thick shelves. Slab doors, just like your coffee bar. Stain the same color, white interior. And then this toe kick's pretty tall to make up for that stem wall. Just going through your email here, making sure I've touched on everything. Yeah, I think that's it. So questions, give me a call. I'll send you these PDFs so you can look at them in more detail, and then we can get started on it this week and hopefully get down there next week and install these guys. These should build pretty quick since they're slab doors. Just a lot of material. So anyway, let me know if this works. Thanks, Larry.